Ano masasabi mo?
Happy birthday, Bram.
Ay, princess! Wala yung umaga. Ay, hawak pa siya! Bitaw sa camera! Bitaw sa camera, princess! Ako nakikita! Princess, hawakan mo yung camera.
Okay, baba ka. Nag-uwili kang mic.
Saan nilalagay yung mic?
Kailan ipapakita same day?
Di ba kita? Mamaya. O, ang mukha ko dyan, napakalapit pa lang.
What's your feedback about your experience?
It's good. Is that waterproof? Gusto ko na mag-swimming.
Swimming there?
My experience is...
My favorite student.
What's the, ano?
Sarap ng hangin,
Dito na tayo, mag-tent tayo dito.
My experience in ziplining is very awesome.
She said some bad words.
Uy, ang sarap siguro mo sila sa papasaan.
Oo, alam na nila.
We? Naka-vlog? Ano, surprise? Surprise na yun.
Hindi, oh. Paano ulit?
Siyempre, kami, pagpapasaan. So alam nyo na kung sino yung papasaan.
Oo, kaya.
Introduction, first point, second point, third point.
It was very life-changing.
Why?
Support your statement.
Because I was up there. Yeah, and it was a very new experience.
Yeah.
Oh, include
Yeah.
Jaran.
Then?
Ano yung Gerard? Ernest?
Hoy! So si Isa Ino,
Question.
Oy!
Because how does the zipline affect you to become technologically competent?
Eto, same day edit.
Ay, yung talaga. So, hi guys. Tapos na yung program namin. Like, patapos na. Guys, nakakaya maging yellow team, pero super nakapagod mag-team building. Like, gusto ko na lang mag-zipline and rappelling. Ay, sana nag-rock climbing pala tayo. So, nag-rock climbing kayo. Ay,
Hi!
Hi, vlog.
Today, right now, we're queuing up for dinner. Kailan ma-upload yan?
Dinner. Pag na-edit na. Vlog ka kasi. Masalita ka para may features. Hi, vlog! Hello! Ayan. Pakita mo yung dinner. Uy! Dinner! Pakita mo yung dinner. Hello guys, na-late ako kasi ang tagal ni Gaines mag-ayos. Parang 30 minutes kami ako naghihintay doon. Pero umakit na ako mga 6 na kasi nag-transfer pa ako ng mga video. Golf cart! Gusto ko mag-golf cart. Tara, there's the pool. There. Then we're at the dinner now. Aliyah! Oh, parang 10 decades na hindi kumakain.
Ngayong gabi mga kasayan! Subscribe kayo! Masaya naman po ba yun?
Yan na, nakatapat ka.
Kinikilig si Bram! For today, and just turn over. I hope you all have a great day at yung mga activities. For today, we have Enzo as our first singer. Okay. So this song is called Rebella from Alibay.
Oh my God! Pag nag-red okay, yun yung sinasabi.
Patayin nyo kagad, huwag nyo papalagpasin ng 5 minutes.
Bastos, tija. Gumit lang yan.
Bago nickname ako sa'yo, ayun. Salvi. Ay, sorry.
Salvi. Pang-asar nyo lang sa akin yun eh. Nung nag-green hills kayo. Alam ko yung Nestle. Nestle.
Alam daw niya yung Nestle.
Ayan na, bida na siya. Ang saya niya na.
Hi, Mark.
Hello.
Hi, vlog!
Ang dilim.
La 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 Ay, isa tinahulog eh.
Si Princess. Tara.
Ay, hindi, wala.
Tapos matitikto ka ng merong letter A.
Hindi, bro. Mapakita mo sa lahat ba?
May una pa pala sa'yo, 500 na kiss.
I-hide mo na. Oh, yun na yun. Bala ka na. Bye-bye. Bukas na. Bye-bye. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Bye, Bram. Okay kayo.
Hi. Hello, okay. Hi vlog, this is day 2.
Sige na. Pagbigyan si Iwood.
Hi, this is day 2 of JS Turnover.
Hello, gang. Gang friends lang. Go,
We're gonna go
labas!
swimming. Fit check.
Ano to? Recording to? Lubog tayo. Pwede mo ito video lang?
Hi guys! So, we're at the stopover na. Last day. Last day! Bye-bye, princess. It's last 4 weeks ba? Like, hi vlog. So, we're at Starbucks na. We're so like all. Hi, so. Hi, Rayleigh and Anika. Let's go to Ate Bea. Where's Hi, Ate Bea. Hi, Bram. Oh my God. Ito yung gusto ko. Mahal po ito. Pakita mo. Para ba? How much is that? It's like 1,300. Diba? Let's see some shoes. Oh my God. This fit. Wala trio.
Hi vlog, so this is our going home trip.
Babang. You sit down.
Or 13% ka na lang.
Sit down.
3 na lang?
No, 12. Lol. Let's vlog all the way. Let's vlog all the way there.
Ang hang-hang. Barbecue to lahat.
Same yan. Say hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Hoy, magkaya kayo documentary.
Unggoy si Bren.
Vlog yan, vlog.
Unggoy si Bren, unggoy si Bren.
Yun na. What's that? Ice jam. What's that?
Corn dog.
Okay. You go. You go there, then you go there. Gusto ko sa likod. Ano ba yan? Ano bilhin mo? Cheese ring.
Pahingi. Corn dog. Pakagat siya.
Pengi lang, hindi ka.
Okay, update. So we are eating on the bus while waiting for the other people.
Kainit.
My meal is banana bread from SB. What's yours?
Shawarma.
What's yours?
Shawarma.
Hi, what's your meal?
I had spicy shawarma and spicy potato corner.
What's your meal?
I have corn dog.
Ice jam.
Wow, ikaw.
Chow bag.
Wow, so amazing, guys. Indeed.
Veggies. Indeed. No, you mean not. No, I can't. No, I don't want. No, I can't.
Can I have?
Okay guys, I'm so natatay right now. Serious. Natatay ako like serious right now.
Ano raw?
Hi guys. Welcome to vlog. You.
Tapos mo.
Dapat hawak mo. Doon ako. Here's the view, guys. Picture.
Real life hindi, promise.
Ay, shit!
Oh!
Ay, sorry po.